Rugged, legendary, and built with a reputation that transcends borders, the Toyota Land Cruiser has long stood as a global benchmark for durability and capability. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a passport to the most remote corners of the planet. And even in its latest generation, the Land Cruiser refuses to abandon its roots, choosing instead to evolve while staying fiercely loyal to its DNA. Whether tackling deserts in the Middle East, highlands in Australia, or snow-laden trails in North America, this machine has carried its legacy of strength into the modern age with a blend of toughness and subtle sophistication. Every line on its bold exterior whispers functionality. The tall, boxy silhouette speaks not of design trends, but of a vehicle shaped by necessity. Short overhangs mean better departure and approach angles, while the high ground clearance confidently declares its off-road prowess. A wide front grille, upright stance, and squared-off wheel arches aren't for show, they're engineered to withstand time and terrain. Beneath its no-nonsense styling lies a purposeful body-on-frame platform, now more rigid and lighter than ever thanks to Toyota's TNGAF architecture. Step inside and the ruggedness continues, but not without a touch of refinement. The dashboard is laid out with clear intent, everything within reach, everything made to last. Materials have been chosen to resist wear from dust, heat, and mud. A large infotainment screen brings modern connectivity, while physical buttons remain to ensure operability even with gloves on. In a world obsessed with digital complexity, the Land Cruiser clings to usability, making it feel both honest and reassuring. It's a cabin designed to accommodate the harshest of journeys without alienating the comfort of daily driving. Under the hood, Toyota has bid farewell to the thirsty V8s of the past and ushered in a new era of efficiency and torque. The latest Land Cruiser houses a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain producing serious low-end grunt. The electric motor complements the gas engine, providing instant torque when crawling over rocks or overtaking on highways. It's a powertrain that balances performance with fuel economy, something unthinkable in Land Cruisers of old. And despite the smaller displacement, there's no shortage of muscle when needed. Off-road capability hasn't just been maintained, it's been enhanced. Multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a full-time four-wheel drive system make sure the Land Cruiser remains a champion where the pavement ends. The new suspension setup allows for better wheel articulation, while underbody protection shields vital components from sharp rocks and debris. Locking differentials, skid plates, and advanced traction control systems ensure that even novice drivers can tackle tough trails with confidence. This vehicle wasn't just built to survive the wild, it was engineered to conquer it. On the road, the transformation is equally impressive. Steering feels more composed than previous generations, and the new suspension setup absorbs bumps without compromising the firm, connected feel that Land Cruiser fans expect. Body roll is better managed, wind noise is surprisingly minimal for such a tall SUV, and the hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, linear acceleration. It's no luxury cruiser, but it offers a sense of composure that makes it more than just a wilderness machine. In terms of technology, Toyota has carefully integrated modern features without overwhelming the classic personality. A digital rearview mirror, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist are all available. But more importantly, these tools feel like they serve a purpose rather than just chasing trends. The Land Cruiser isn't trying to be futuristic, it's trying to be better. Safety hasn't been left behind either. The Toyota Safety Sense suite brings pre-collision braking, pedestrian detection, and emergency steering assist into play, offering peace of mind whether driving in urban traffic or along a mountain pass. Airbags, stability control, and a reinforced frame are all part of the package that has made the Land Cruiser a vehicle family's trust. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about the Land Cruiser is its continued relevance in a world rapidly changing. While many vehicles chase after luxury, sportiness, or electrification at the expense of soul, this Toyota remains unapologetically itself. It understands its mission: to go further, last longer, and do it all with a sense of unshakable reliability. This isn't a trendsetter, it's the foundation on which others have tried to build. For those who know, the Land Cruiser isn't just a car, it's a companion. One that quietly outlives expectations, outperforms rivals when the going gets rough, and carries with it stories etched into its steel. From safari tours to humanitarian missions, it has been there, done that, and is ready to go again. And now, with its refined updates, it's more prepared than ever to face a future that still demands strength. Priced competitively within its segment, it continues to offer immense value not just in features, but in the legacy it brings. Toyota hasn't simply redesigned a vehicle, they've reinforced a legend. And for those lucky enough to own one, the new Land Cruiser doesn't need to prove anything. Its presence alone says enough.